Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create an affiliate marketing funnel in Systeme.io quickly and easily. First, log into your Systeme.io account. From the dashboard, click Funnels in the top menu. Now click Create, enter a name for your funnel, such as Affiliate Marketing Funnel. Choose the Build an Audience goal if you want to collect leads before promoting an affiliate offer, then click Create. Inside your funnel, click Add Step and choose an opt-in page. Browse the available templates and select one that fits your brand. Click Edit Page to customize the page. Replace the default headline with a compelling offer that encourages visitors to subscribe. Add a short description explaining the value of your free lead magnet, such as an ebook, checklist, or video training. Next, customize the opt-in form to collect your visitors' names and email addresses. After someone subscribes, redirect them to a thank you page where you can introduce your affiliate offer or provide the download link. You can also connect the opt-in form to an email campaign so new subscribers automatically receive follow-up emails containing your affiliate recommendations. Click Save Changes when you're finished. Finally, test the funnel by submitting the form yourself to make sure every step works correctly. That's it. You've successfully created an affiliate marketing funnel in Systeme.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick Systeme.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.